Welcome to SVISION. Chapter 1, Download the application. You have received an email containing instructions on how to access the best maintenance management system. Please read all the information carefully. To get started, download and install the SVISION maintenance program. Once the download is complete, run the program and follow the on-screen instructions. Click Next to proceed with the installation. Please note that you must have administrator permissions to continue. We recommend not changing the assigned directory name, as doing so may cause issues with the system's operation. Click Next again. The installation process will begin now. When prompted, click Finish to complete the installation. Done. The program's applications will now appear on your desktop.